In today's video, I'll teach you how to book flight on Fly Delta. So first of all, open the Fly Delta application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. So if you want to book the flight, tap on the book option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to book the flight. You can see three options over here: round trip, one way, multi-city. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll have to select the origin and destination. Tap on the filter from. Now what you have to do is enter the city or airport code over here. Now you'll be able to see the matching cities over here. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Likewise, select your destination. Now after that, you'll also have to select the dates. Tap on the field of dates. Now you'll be able to choose the dates. First of all, select the date of depart. Now after you do that, you'll also have to select the date of return. Now tap on this option, confirm dates. Now also select the number of passenger. Tap on the field of passenger. Now simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find several other options over here. You can also manage the settings if you want. After that, tap on this option, find flights, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to another interface. You'll be able to see all the available flights over there. What you have to do is explore the features of all the flights. After that, find the flight that you would like to book. After you do that, simply tap on it. Now proceed to do the payment. Choose a payment method and enter the payment details. Now after the transaction is completed, your flight will be booked. So like this, you'll be able to book a flight. So that is how you book a flight in Flight Delta. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.